All concrete and block foundations will have minor cracks. Should the cracks have water leakage or challenge the structure of the building, inform the homeowner that crack sealing, bracing, excavation, and waterproofing, or even replacement, may be necessary depending on the severity of the problem. If there are significant structural issues, they should be brought to the attention of the homeowner regardless of the scope of your project. Water leakage can be responsible for a significant number of problems. Document carefully any evidence of water leakage regardless of its location. By ignoring this problem, a mold or structural decay problem could exist or be created. Because more than 90% of the building failures and callbacks are water-related, you don't want to be responsible for pre-existing water leakage and moisture problems. Roofing represents the first line of defense against rain and snow. So let the homeowner know any apparent problems with the condition of the roof. Check the condition of the gutters if they exist. If they don't exist, recommend installing them. If they do exist, do they need repair? In most climates, attic ventilation can provide benefits to the roof system. If there is attic ventilation, is it ridge and soffit vents, and is the free area available equal between the ridge and the soffit? If so, are the vents clean and clear? If no ventilation exists, it may be necessary to add ventilation if an attic moisture problem is evident. Like roofing, cladding is also the building envelope's first line of defense against rain and snow. Should there be evidence of cladding deterioration, this is a telltale sign that more extensive problems could exist within the wall system and may need further investigation. Particular attention should be given to areas around windows and doors. They are the most common entry point for water. Another significant point of water entry can be cracks in stucco, brick, and mortar that can hide an existing mold problem or structural decay. All cladding systems should be installed over a continuous drainage plane. If no drainage plane exists, let the homeowner know. If the windows do not close properly because the opening has racked or the windows were not properly installed, recommend repairing the rough opening and replacing the windows. Because windows represent the most significant location for energy loss, replacement of older, poorly performing windows will yield a reduction in energy cost and an improvement in comfort. Pooled water can be the primary cause of a wet foundation, basement, or crawl space. If the grade around the home and downspouts don't direct water away from the foundation adequately, recommend to the homeowner to improve the grade and extend or redirect the downspouts. It is recommended that the slope away from the house should be at least 6% or 1/4 inch per foot. Too often, homeowners place trees and large shrubs too close to the house. This prevents the siding from drying out adequately, and the roots can exert pressure on the foundations. Because all plantings need to be watered, it is strongly recommended that all trees, shrubs, and flower beds be as far from the foundation as possible.